I want to show you how you can export and import stories. So first of all, the story that I would like to export is in my Stories folder. I'll double click that group and it's under Stories.
Going to.
And here it is.
Going to see the birds.
That's right, it's called Going to See the Birds. Now if you go down the bottom and you click on Advanced and then click on Export, it will ask you, are you sure you want to export that story? If there were multiple stories, it would export all of them. So I'm going to say yes. And then it asks what you want to export the story onto, your hard drive or a USB. I've actually plugged in a USB, so I'm going to click on that. And then this screen will come up and it's saying all stories from the story group have been exported. Now this story has got videos attached to it, and those videos also are automatically exported. So job well done. Now if I wanted to import a story, I'll show you how you can do that. We'll go to Advanced again, and this time click on Import. I've got stories on the USB, so we'll click on the USB, and there's that Going to See the Bird story we just exported sitting on the USB drive. But let's import Minigolf. So highlight the one you want to import and then hit the tick button. Or if you want, you could import all the stories that are showing on the USB drive. So we'll hit the tick button. If the story contains video or sound effects, it might take some time. But it didn't take very long, did it? And we're done. So no, we don't want to import anymore, so we'll close that. And then now we have our next story, Minigolf.
Golf.
There it is. That story, along with its videos, has been imported off the USB drive. So that's all there is to it.